live with every breath, see my message start to spread. And I had so many dreams, then you hit your teens. Life ain't really what it seems, try to find out what it means. Always do it.
Target: solve problems involving measurements. A tree stands 5 meters tall. What's its height in the centimeter? From meter to the centimeter, what is the movement? Is it to the right or to the left? It is to the right. How many movements to the right? There is only one movement to the right, and that is times 10. 5 meter tall times 10. So times 10 will become what? 50 the centimeter. Next problem. From the house to school, it takes Christy 2,500 meters. How far is her school to her house in kilometer? Sorry. So from meter to kilometer, meter to kilometer. So meter to kilometer is how many movement to the left. So in 3 movement to the left. And that 3 movements to the left is equivalent to 1,000. Therefore, we need to multiply 2,500 by 1,000, or we just move the decimal point 2 places, 3 places to the left. So what will be our answer? Our answer will be 2 and 5/10 kilometer. Next question. The thickness of a door is 900 meters. What is the thickness of the door in centimeter? So we have from meter to centimeter. What is the movement? Is it to the right or to the left? The movement is to the right. How many movement? We have one, two. We have two movement to the right. Therefore, it is equivalent to 100. So, we are going to multiply the given by 100, or we just move the decimal point 2 places to the right. 1, 2. Therefore, what is our answer? Our answer is 9 centimeters. Gladys' weight is 81 and 65 hundredths kilogram. What is her weight in grams? From kilogram, kilogram to gram, kilogram to gram is how many movement? Is it to the right or to the left? The movement is to the right. That is 10 times 10 times 10, 3 movement, that is equivalent to 1,000. So, in our given, we have 3 movements to the right. Therefore, what is our answer? The answer is 81,650 grams. Next, number 2. Ildefonso's bag weighs 400 grams. What is the weight of his bag in kilogram? So we have from gram to kilogram. What is the movement? The movement is to the left. Since the movement is to the left, how many movements to the left? 1, 2, 3. That 3 movement is equivalent to 1,000. So we need to divide this 4,000 to 1,000, or we just move the decimal point 3 places to the left. So what is our answer? Our answer is 4 kilogram. Bong can eat 260 gram of pancit canton. How many centigram of pancit canton can he eat? So we have from gram to centigram. What is the movement? Is it to the left or to the right? So we have 1, 2, that is to the right. And that is equivalent to 100. Therefore, we are going to multiply 260 by 100. So what will be our answer? Or we move the decimal point 2 places to the right. What is the answer? 26,000 centigrams. Next, we have number 4. When Patricia's sister was born, she weighed 4 and 5/10 kilograms. What is the baby's weight in grams? So from kilogram to grams, kilogram to grams. How many movement? Is it to the right or to the left? So the movement is to the right, kilogram to gram, 1, 2, 3, which is equivalent to 1,000. So we need to multiply 4 and 5/10 by 1,000, or we move the decimal point 3 places to the right. So what is the answer? The answer will be 4,500 grams. Next question. A key weighs about 5 grams. What is the key's weight in milligrams? So we have grams, gram to milligram. So again, the movement is to the right, and that is 3 movements to the right. So 10, 10, 10, that is 1,000. So we need to multiply 5 by 1,000, or we move the decimal point 3 places to the right. What is the answer? The answer is 5,000 milligrams. Next, we have Roxanne drinks 250 milliliters of milk every morning. How much milk does she drink in liters? So from milliliters to liters. So we have milliliters to liters. How many movement to the left? From milliliters to liters, that is 1, 2, 3. 3 movements to the left. And that is equivalent to 1,000. We divide the given by 1,000, or we move the decimal point 3 places to the left. So what is our answer? The answer is 2,500 liters. Next question, number 2. A bottle of alcohol measures 500 milliliters. How much alcohol is there in this liter? So from milliliter to deciliter, milliliter to deciliter. What is the movement? Is it to the right or to the left? It is to the right. And how many movements? There are 1, 2, 2 movements to the left. Therefore, we need to move the decimal point 2 places to the left. So what is our answer? The answer is 5 deciliter. Next, Nora sells 1,000 milliliter bottles of mineral water. How much mineral water in hectoliter is there in one bottle? So from milliliter to hectoliter, what is the movement? The movement is to the left. Milliliter to hectoliter. How many movement? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 movements to the left. So from 500, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We need to add 2 zeros. So what is our answer? Our answer is, that is not the one. This is 1,000, no? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, that is not the, all right. We have 1. What is the answer? The answer is 1 hectoliter. All right, we have another problem. Edison will stay in Baguio in 2 weeks. How many days will he stay in Baguio? 1 week equals 7 days. So 2 weeks is how many days? We have 14 days. Number two, Susana will drive to Pampanga for 150 minutes. How many hours will it take her? So 1 hour equals 60 minutes. Therefore, we divide 150 by 60. 150 divided by 60 is 2. 2 times 60 is 120. 150 minus 120 is 30. So 30 divided by 60 is actually 5 tenths. So what is the answer? 2 and 5 tenths hours. Next, Nelson is celebrating his 15th birthday today. How many months old is he? 15th birthday. So 1 year is equal to 12 months. We just multiply 15 times 12. And what is 15 times 12? The answer is 180 months. Now we have Maricar Aquarium contains 2 hectoliter of water. How much water in liter is in the aquarium? We have from hectoliter to liter. Hectoliter to liter. This is liter. How many movements to the right? So we have 2 movements to the right. If that is 2 movements to the right, it will become what? That is 10 times 10. That is 100. Therefore, we need to multiply this given by 100, or we move the decimal point 2 places to the right. What is the answer? The answer is 200 liters. Next, Eugene brings 500 milliliter of chocolate drink to school for recess. How much chocolate drinks does he bring in liters per day? We have from milliliter to liter. Milliliter. This one is milliliter to liter. How many movements to the left? So we have 1, 2, 3. And that is equivalent to 1,000. 500 divided by 1,000. Or we move the decimal point 3 places to the left. 1, 2, 3. So what is the answer? The answer is 5 tenths liters. We have another problem. A person's normal body temperature is 37 degrees Celsius. If a sick person has a fever, which makes his temperature 2 degrees hotter than the normal body temperature, what is the temperature of a sick person? So that is 37 plus 2, and 37 plus 2 is 39 degrees Celsius. Next, we have problem number 2. Convert 37 degrees Celsius to degrees Fahrenheit. What is our formula in converting degrees Celsius to degrees Fahrenheit? 1 and 8 tenths times degrees Celsius plus 32. We have 37. 1 and 8 tenths times 37 plus 32. What is the answer? The answer is 91 and 6 tenths degrees Fahrenheit. By the way, we have already answered this one. So what is the freezing point of water? The freezing point of water is, not freezing point, boiling point of water. The boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius, which is equivalent to 212 degrees Fahrenheit. How do we arrive at this one, at the result? This is 1 and 8 tenths times 100. That is 180. 180 plus 32 is 212 degrees Fahrenheit. Thank you very much.